CX Portable Semi-Automatic Large Capacity Liquid Filling Machine. This machine is specially designed for filling products with large filling capacity requirements. Suitable for oil, wine, juice and other liquid-type products. 5 liters capacity filling accuracy demo. Machine is portable design, equipped with flexible filling nozzle, button switch on the filling nozzle, easy filling in any situation. Fully stainless steel machine body design, food-grade stainless steel filling system. Suction direct from your product storage tank. Easy filling capacity setting. 10 liters capacity filling accuracy demo. Anti-drip and big diameter design stainless steel filling nozzle. High speed and high filling accuracy. Machine has a 3-stage speed filling setting, 3 different speeds in one filling process. The first stage of speed is low speed filling at the beginning, to prevent the product from splashing out. In the second stage of speed, when there is a certain amount of product in the container, the machine fills at high speed to speed up production. The third stage of speed is filling at a low speed near the end to prevent the product from splashing out from the mouth of the container. "15 liters capacity filling accuracy demo." World-famous electric accessories and pneumatic accessories. Suitable for long-term continuous work. Perfect performance and efficient in the large capacity filling. The operating language on the touchscreen can be written into your national language. CE certificate and meet the GMP standard. Two years warranty offered, worry-free for you to purchase. Factory direct, and we have more than 10 years packing machines manufacturing experience. Thank you for watching and please feel free to contact us for machines further information. CX Pack, your most professional, trustworthy and ideal packing machines partner.